everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open a retirement account at Vanguard. So let's start with the first step, which is to navigate to the Vanguard.com and click Open an Account on the homepage. Now, Vanguard is known for its low-cost index funds and investor-first philosophy. So the homepage clearly displays options for personal investors to get started. Next up is select your account type. So you can choose from the Vanguard's retirement account options. They have traditional IRA, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, or individual. So each card shows a brief description of the account type and its benefits. So you can just choose the one that best fits your retirement goals and tax situation. Next is complete your personal details. So fill in the registration form with your full name, date of birth, social security number, email address, phone number, and mailing address, and also the employment status and employer name. So Vanguard uses this information for identity verification and regulatory compliance. Next up is fund your Vanguard account. So you can choose your funding method. It can be electronic bank transfer, a check, transfer from another firm, or roll over from an employer plan. So for bank transfers, you will need to provide your bank's name, the routing number, and the account number. So you can just set your initial contribution amount. Lastly is your Vanguard dashboard is ready. So your retirement account is set up. So the Vanguard dashboard displays your account overview with balance, asset, allocation chart, holdings lists, and performance graph. So you can use the quick links to buy, sell, exchange funds, or make additional contribution. You can also set up automatic investments to dollar costs, average into your chosen fund each month. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!